how to change your Facebook password on Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure to log in to the account of which you want to change the password. After logging in, you will be able to see this interface in your device. So here in the right upper corner, you'll be able to see the three-bar horizontal line. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you have to go through the settings option, which is right next to the search bar in the right upper side. And here you have to go through the password and security option. After that, you can see there are various settings. Among them, you have to go through the change password option, which is under login. And here, in order to change your password, you need to enter your current password. So you have to enter your current password over here in the first text box, and similarly in the second text box you have to create a new and strong password. And for the confirmation, you have to once again retype the new password, and by doing that you can update your password. If you forgot your password, then you can go through the forgot password option in the blue letter in the button, and from over there you'll be helped to recover your password. And for recovering your password, you can once again follow the same step and change your password. And by following this simple step, you can change your Facebook password on Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.